So I was gifted a lovely bag of chestnuts, and I'm sorting them right now, looking for the wormholes. If they have a wormhole or if they've been eaten by squirrels, I am going to compost them. And I'm moving them. I was given them in a plastic bag, moving them out to the cloth bags so that they do not mold.
Press the circle.
All right. So next thing, I actually have this out of order, but I first soaked the chestnuts in water so they're easier to cut. And I'm making an X on one of the sides. Whoops. My daughter's helping me film. There we go. X. And I'm playing around with 2 different knives. I have like a steak serrated knife, which I found was easier because you kind of just like poke a hole and then make the line. So I'm like poking, make the line, poke. I had more control that way versus the bigger knife. I felt like I was going to cut myself. So this was much easier to do it this way. There we go. I have some X's. Some of them did not, the X's didn't turn out as good. Look, I cut too far, but you have to cut them or they'll explode in the oven. Now this is the step I forgot to show first. You want to soak them in water about 15 minutes. It makes it easier to cut the shell. They're like very hard. So soak first, rinse. All right, now we're back to, they were cut. I put them in the oven, 400 degrees, and we're gonna roast chestnuts. And the time it takes for them to cook and split open, as you can see, is about 25, well, they split open before 25 minutes, but that's about when they're soft. But you'll wanna check with a knife to see if they're soft, and the shell should be very easy to pull off. There you can see I pulled the shell off, and they're really delicious as is. Yum. You don't have to put anything on them. You can melt butter and dip them in, but I like them just plain.